my arguments will continue to be that you will pull the best from any man by not withholding the truth of your heart, which I would call love. So whatever's going through your heart, we define love as this, kind of gooey. Leo, I'm gonna come over there and smack you if you close your eyes again. Okay, gooey, devotional, worshipy kind of thing, and that's love. But no, love, it's what's coming for the feminine. It's what's coming through your heart. That's how I would like to define it. And that means whatever's coming through your heart, fear, shame, rage, anger, given with a heart openness, it occurs to them as love. It's nourishment for them. And I know you all still probably don't believe me on this, but it's true. And it just takes a ridiculous amount of courage to keep bringing it. And keep bringing it, and keep bringing it, and keep bringing it until they pop. I'm sure you've had an argument. Haven't you guys had an argument like where, you're crying and screaming and you're so upset that you can't help but reveal the truth of your heart, and all of a sudden something deeper shows up in them. Have you guys all had that experience? Yeah. Right? That's what happened in that moment. I'm just arguing that it can happen a lot more, and it can happen with some intention and some consciousness. And the intention I want you to leave here with is revealing my heart, right? Revealing the truth of my heart and amplifying that truth will bring the best out of the masculine.